Now let's do this to understand right angle. What you have to do is turn clockwise to east. Suppose you are facing north, right? And then you are asked to turn clockwise. If you are facing north direction, then to turn clockwise to east means you have to turn towards your right hand side. One turn towards right hand side, and you can see here the picture, right? From north you turn towards the right hand side, one turn, and you get this east. Okay, and what is it? One turn, that is 90-degree right angle. And then again you, when you go for the second turn, is like this. Here you can see the first turn from north to east, one turn, that is right angle. Okay, and then same way when you go for the next turn from east to south, because you know opposite to north is south pole, and from north when you turn towards right hand side, it gives you east direction. First turn is 1/4, and that is 90-degree. When you 90-degree represent in fraction, it's going to be 1/4, 1/4. फिर अगेन यू टर्न ईस्ट से साउथ तक आप जाओगे, तो दूसरे टर्न पे ये जो पूरा टर्न होगा 90 + 90, ये 90 हुआ और ये 90, सो 1/4 एंड 1/4 इज हाफ. तो ये जो पूरा आधा सर्कल हुआ, दैट इज कॉल्ड straight angle, that's called complete. So in whichever direction you are standing, towards right when you move one turn, that is 90-degree, and it's called right angle, and in fraction if you have to express, it is 1/4. Again you move 1/4, one more turn towards your right again, one more 1/4 turn, that is 90, and when you add this 90 + 90, it's equal to 180. 180-degree stands for straight angle. This is called straight angle, right? Starting from here, ends over here, it's called straight angle. Understood? And together this becomes 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2/4, that's equal to 1/2. This is how we get half turn. Half turn is equal to straight angle. इसको क्या कहते हैं? This is called straight angle. Understood? 180 straight angle, and this one is right angle. Now, is it clear to you what is right angle and what is straight angle? Then the third turn from south to west, again turn towards your right, and you complete 3/4. How many times 1/4 you are turning? 1, 1, 2 and 3. So 3/4. And then the final time when you turn, that is 4/4, that's equal to 1, that is complete angle. You are completing one revolution, starting from here and going back to the same position. That means you are completing one revolution, and one revolution when you complete, that means it's how many degrees? It's going to be 360 degree, and that is called complete angle. What's it called? It's called complete angle. Here 90 plus 90, 180 plus 90, you add and see what you will get. It's going to be 270. Understood? 90, 90, 90. 93 is a 270, and then when you add 90 the fourth time, you get 360, which is called complete angle. First round, that is first quarter, 1/4, that is 90 degree. Then when you turn again, it's half the turn, that is equal to 180, straight angle. Then one more turn, that gives you 270 degree, and in fraction if you say it is 3/4, and again the fourth turn gives you complete angle, that is 360 degree. Hope you have understood this much. And if we use a clock, now you are going to play a game, or in the coming exercise you are going to have some questions where, a few questions where you will be answering with the help of clock. So let's see. Now if we take help of clock, then in the clock what do we have? We have see 12, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, right, which is not mentioned here. It's going to be here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every number represents 5 minutes. अगर हम उसको मिनट के साथ कंपेयर करें तो 5 का टेबल याद करो, 5 1 ज़ा 5, तो ये हुआ 12 से 1 तक जाओगे तो 5 मिनट, फिर 1 से 2 तक जाओगे तो 5 और 5 10 मिनट, देन 5 3 ज़ा 15, 3 तक पहुँचे तो 15 मिनट्स. So 15 minutes stands for what? Minute stands for 1/4 in fraction, and if we talk about angle तो होगा 90 degree. Understood? Every 15 minutes, तो 12 से 3 जाओगे तो 15 मिनट हुआ, 3 से 6 तक पहुँचोगे तो वो अगेन 15 मिनट हुआ, 6 से 9 तक जाओगे तो वो 15 मिनट, और 9 से 12 तक जाओगे तो वो 15 मिनट. सो एवरी क्वार्टर, ये जो क्वार्टर हुआ, एवरी क्वार्टर स्टैंड्स फॉर 90 डिग्री, फ्रैक्शन इज 1/4 एंड मिनट विल बी 15 मिनट्स. इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको कहना होगा कि कितने टर्न्स आप घूम रहे हो, और मिनट टू बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू फ्रैक्शंस और फ्रैक्शन टू बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मिनट्स. ओके, तो ये होगा आपका गेम. तो आप ये देख सकते हो, हमने जब 15 और 15 मिलाए, मतलब 12 से 6 तक पहुंचते हैं, तो 15 + 15 दैट्स इक्वल टू 180 स्ट्रेट एंगल, एंड इट इज़ हाफ टर्न. फर्स्ट इज क्वार्टर, देन सेकेंड क्वार्टर गिव्स यू हाफ टर्न. उसके बाद अगर 6 से 9 तक जाते हो तो एक क्वार्टर हुआ 15 मिनट्स, एंड दैट इज़ इन फ्रैक्शन इफ यू हैव टू मेंशन it will be 1/4. This will be 1/2. And here you see, अगर इस तरह का है तो आपको पहले देखना होगा, you have to check 5, 10, 15. You check the minutes. दो हाथ के बीच में कितने मिनट्स हुए, तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. ये हुआ 5 मिनट्स, 10 to 11 5, 11 to 12 10, 12 to 1 15 minutes. That means it's equal to, अगर हम मिनट में करते हैं तो 15 मिनट, अगर फ्रैक्शन देखते हैं तो 1/4, अगर डिग्री देखेंगे तो इट्स 90 डिग्री. इज़ दैट क्लियर टू यू? सो नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट video is going to be about exercise 5.2. I know that I have not taught you exercise 5.1, but I didn't find anything which is helpful to you in exercise 5.1, so we haven't done it. Whatever explanation was required, that I have done in the previous videos, and now we will solve exercise 5.2 based on fraction of a clockwise revolution, and its PDF I'll get ready, and then afterwards I'm going to send the video along with the PDF for you. Till then, goodbye, stay safe at home.